biology, they are using the waste of sugarcane to make paper. Like in ancient times, there were no much technology, so they used these waste products to make paper. And this is a sample of the paper we made from this waste. And we use the solution of sodium hydroxide and ethanol. Then we use the waste product and then we grind it to make a paste. And alongside other chemicals, we lay a thin sheet that forms paper. Later, after this, in factories they process and make proper paper. But we don't have those machines, so we have made the paper that was used in ancient times. And then the second is we use algae to make eco-friendly fuel. That this fuel does not eco-friendly fuel. This is really eco-friendly. This won't harm the nature. Like the fuel we use now produces smoke and all. This does not produce any type of smoke, and it also burns smoothly. The combustion is complete and does not produce any smoke. This is the eco-friendly, made from waste. The algae, which is like we can find it near water, like bodies or even the hand pumps. Near the hand pumps we collect it, then we use.
We grind it.
Yes, we grind it. We use caustic soda, ethanol, and then other we use. Then we made the fuel out of this. By the help of our biology teacher Avinash sir, he gave us an idea to make best from the waste. So we have two ideas. Like the first one is to make biofuel from algae, which is a biodegradable agent present in our nature. We use algae alongside ethanol and sodium hydroxide to form a solution. Later, this algae produces biofuel on its own. This biofuel can be an alternative of diesels and all, which is really eco-friendly. This is an eco-friendly fuel which does not harm the nature. Then second, we have the paper made from sugarcane. Now we use the sugarcane waste and then we use the caustic soda and ethanol, the same we use here, and then we grind it and then we lay a thin sheet of paper. This paper was used in ancient times and even now. And later in factories this is processed to make a fine sheet of paper. Right now it is unfinished and can be more work can be done on this. Thank you.
I am Gyanda from grade 8A, a student of Gyanda Academy. आज मैं आप सभी के लिए ये एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक सिटी बनाया हूँ। मैं कोशिश करूँगा बड़े होकर अपना फ्यूचर में करने का, जब मैं साइंटिस्ट बनूँ। मेरा मन है कि मैं बड़े होकर साइंटिस्ट बनूँ। तो फिर हमारे पास
छोटा
understand the factors of this plants and animals, which helps whenever one part also will be the damage, then all the unit of the life will be the disrupted and we can work properly. it is released and it is absorbed there and clean air like 1 year. The smoke goes in, clean air comes out.
You can show where there is smoke and come to
It's a vibrating monolith UFO which converts electrical energy into kinetic energy. In this, we have used an old massage gun, which is an example of upcycle engineering. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and good morning, ma'am. I am Afia Bajaj. Today we both are presenting our science exhibition project on the structure and functional model of bacteria cell and a flower model. A flower model is a reproductive structure of a flowering plant. Its parts are closely arranged to help in pollination, fertilization, and seed formation. The main parts of flower are sepal, petal, stamen, pistil, and ovules. This is sepal. It protects the flower. This is petal. It is in bright color and it attracts the insect for the pollination. This is stamen. It is a male reproductive part of a flower which contains anther and the filament. This upper one yellow is known as anther and it contains pollen grain. This is filament which supports the anther. And this part is known as pistil and it is a female reproductive part. It contains stigma, style and ovary. Stigma. It receives pollen and the style helps stigma and ovule to support and to connect it. And this is ovary which contains ovules. These are the ovules which develop into seed after the fertilization.
So now, this is the bacteria cell. Bacteria is tiny and single cell organisms. They are parents, so they cannot compete. The parts of bacteria are, this is plasmid. The plasmid is the
communicators. The principle is different devices and different vehicles to send and receive information over short or long distances. The materials used in our project are clay, glue gun, glue, cardboard and colorful chart papers. The communication means sharing information, messages and ideas with others. This is a postcard. It is an old and simple way of sending short written messages from one person to another. This is a radio. It is used to send and receive information through radio. We can listen news, music, weather, reports and other program on the radio. This is the laptop. It has to use community through the internet. We can send emails, attend video calls, chatting with others, and send the information. This is the satellite. It will see and send signal between different places on Earth. Satellite helps us with television, broadcast, telephone calls, internet service, and others form of communication. This is a telephone. It allows to talk with person who are far away. Types of energy. Principle is energy is found in energy occurs in different forms of solar, wind, electricity, and chemical energy. Energy can change from one form to another. Our project is about different form of energy. Energy helps us to move forward. Solar energy comes from the sun. A solar panel OAN converts sunlight into electrical energy. It's power, which can be from and water. These three and chemical energy. Plant and store chemical energy. This stores hunting energy. A moving object has hunting energy. Our mobile phone energy is very different from energy from one form to another. Thank you. I am Priyanka. These are my friends. I am Kavya Kumar. I am Radha Kumar.
So what is this?
Our project name is Little Scientist. The project title is Microscope. A microscope uses lenses to magnify small objects